ban penshler ya ki babun ki samla puli u MLA ka Jowai u wailat miki shella ula pen bana ban ai khusnam da ka laptop ne song pisa ya kino ki khna hapo ka tu Jowai constituency ki barong ha ka top 20 jong ka examine SSLC ya kani u wailat miki shella ula pen bana habakran kum ukong san ha ka jialang sam khusnam ya ki khna ki bala pas bha lingba ka jiarap na ka SSLC Free Coaching Program 2022 kani ka free coaching ka day ka balas dang da unong thau an ka Jowai minchim snam kerpang tang na ka benta ki khana class 10 but ki banya le ya ka examine SSLC 2023 ha ki artly ki subject ka science but mathematics las dang ya ka jihikai ha ki ar banai ha ki santli ki center ken thop ha so minting chut wakhu lat that labo mi min tu but mukhla Uwailat miki shilla ha bakaran shu ulapan bana baya kani ka free coaching an beteng ya ka man usnam katba udang longkum u MLA ula aiman siam ru ya ki samla ki bayo pedang ya ka khusnam baki dei bandang treshitom shu ha ki jingpule ba khamsalor na ka benta kalawai ba pharnai ha ka jingem jongki namar kani ka dei ka jing sedang jong ka jingem jongki
the next year how do you mudawan Tenaga yang dia yang grant holder na po constituency yung nagawan top 20 yung facilitated ila yung ila laptop. Kasi ito, yung sound yung laptop, Henry enjoy for the option will choose each go into the MD laptop or you choose the cash price la cash money le. Kasi ito, kung load ko rin ular chibon ne bakti pe aga Jowai constituency du ong thang ne ko ja ti ong the next year ko yak atu ne la boy penar ka mo na ko Jowai constituency 1 bina pen le stri pen le ina daga tengah ya le chisne mu tu lob da e lui pi ate te ham e trosi tias ni e nga lo tia ni ta yo pi te yo lu ti yo unang ya tre stom ni ba re jo i por le declare we ya ni ka free coaching yo ki continue ga mansne kadang mana ni Unang perwan tolak wan right the expertise he will give aging era ya ikon ro yom dani knasur yom dani ka thai yom i handam mango ka jing perchan bonung ko hey pori mutbian iwaya plani iwaya penbaji henry hankat tele more than 80% kiwa pass lembaga coaching tengah player ya ke tim yang kinong ikai kuda penorong ya kini kejimut kejing temu kuyong i bat kamjole ya bi kena kiwada kita kejing chanya yei hagasin bunun kong one beach kmat wow chimenta hagani ka free coaching ka district jongi kalom syakmat ha kapule keputi dan ni result ibabon kata ka orlong na kadao kucing treshton jong pi officer tengah kerpa ni kita ni jing thapti ni bentar kos e ni oman mo pai video ya kurek keputi pok district yang i ho tak em chibon jing duna mlen ne yang yong i yang sorka le department Henry unang yai treshton ni rengkat ne bintau thok te gilat luti wa common unku choi ya kurek kuthi po district lada phai hen ti bina hi bisnam honusnam arjar arko ar ngadang perkhado ne ba kan wa yoi di dia di persa go em liu ho ba class money kam tam hitu por pandemic tam lembaga online classes kiwa nunti bi ikna purek ne purek yo bi ketika education ketika knowledge ko to yo bi nem yo ta hade ne tu paro na ma ila ma de ma ila habini ginti kwa perkhat khamtam ne benta yo kini ki godawi de in exam mitri ne ma nga kanmo hi por nga klem em bi jing pun wit pun thut le nga phanai pi to nga to duna bha ga mats nga jabor justi pas ga mats ko paste Tas yang tho ba ngai poru yo right kelas biang le kat tu chen chu tomo kat won tam ye kitu kiba do ka asnem kiwa chom kelas 10 hagani gat ar hosnem ar jar ar phawa ki ke kelas 8 kelas 9 dio ki kwa ye ong ki knowledge wise to duna dan compare givi subject ki was suk upure para pure tangla da phai chika maths boga science kham tam na kan mo ba da hado kat ni asya rudus ni awi te kutu trigonometry ni asya barbe wa msya tho leni ka physics ka chemistry tasnya tho ba kat on tam ni phi ko do ya ka tu jing hi kai ko ko do kham tam ni as tadai ti dawi discuss ni ba plan ni le te ko kom de eklam ni ong to mem kwa i pun man ga ni ka course le ko man confuse ni ki parent ni ba la le full na boro subject sam full mark te kwa i focus specific dukat i kita tan ko chen jing e kna but dan sedang gamong i pinni i ka thong ko yong i to mainly hi to gamong ni yo wan rai ki toppers ni ba snya tho to usuk kamu umai lat ni to thong ko number 1 ko yong to ko kamu pun kap chiang ni pasnya ko men optip dan nagini coordinator yong i wasnya ko men optip ba hatin bon nagi khna ko ai tu por chwau lai ki coaching hey por selection bon you fail ye ka maths and science dang tu le dang khanau mai la dinga wat tu kelam ha chwa wan wo yen ni le u even na sar su chia o le fail ga selection ga maths he por selection ka kam jing tip yo ma bas nya ku men ne ma da po yen ni ni kam no yo distinction yo maths nga jing ro o pro ni no kai yo no oh mem yo I wan na ka topper rank tangas nyawa dang palat cucu ika topper rank ko de ye pun urlong kam ong sinang kam de ye pun im yo ya dapat pas yo de phil untuk kam usuk tengah ke jing ro o pro ye ki no kai but kumlai le ya ki man be ki man pa kun jing chania ko da pa kom ki ti ki wan chini free coaching
Hakani kasngi lapan ko burom ye ki khatwei ngut ki samla puli ki balapas bha but yo distinction lingba ka jingarap ka free coaching program but ye ki langut ki samla ki balarung ha ka top 20 jong ka examine SSLC but ka larisa lamin ha ka top 10 jong ka examine SSLC.
I would like to urge each and every one of you to work hard, strive towards your goal, have confidence in yourself. Believe in yourself that you can do it. Because first of all, if you don't believe in yourself, then who will, right? And also, always put God first in whatever you do. Because without Him, I don't think you will be able to do it. And also, it will not be a smooth journey. There will be many ups and downs along the ways. You will face many struggles, obstacles, and temptations, but please do not give up. Giving up should never be an option in your life. Continue soaring higher and higher. Do your best, give it your all. And please remember to always put God first in everything that you do. If you ever find yourself in a position where you feel like giving up, where things get hard, just take a deep breath, turn to God, and pray. Just like God has promised each and every one of us that He will always be there with us in any circumstances. Just do your part, work hard, pray, and put all your worries and fears, and God will handle the rest.
Ya ka jingalang lapan ya de u henyo ki paslen but layo ka jingkran pediang burom na UI shooting program coordinator ha ka jingdon lang ka district school officer West Jaintia Hills district ka kong APCM u principal ka Thomas Jones Synod College u Dr. DG Lingdo u principal ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School u Richard B. Uria. Ya ka jingalang lapan wai de ki kintian ai khublei na u nominated MDC GHADC u Okto Mewat Lamin.
know that maths and science is one of the weak subjects that the students faced, not only in a district, but in the state as a whole. But I do feel proud as the district education officer. I feel proud because why? Every year, the pass percentage in the board exams, district-wise, Jank Hills always top. So as an officer, I feel very proud to be a part of the district, that our students, our children, they do very well in their board exams. And with this kind of coaching, with this kind of program that we have, I believe from now onwards, we will raise more stars who will not only have, not only a few of them will have position holders or rank holders or distinctions, but many, many more will come up from the district to have and to hold their positions in the board exams, both in the SSLC and the HSSLC, in all the streams, be it commerce, be it arts, or be it science. So, at this point of time, I would like to encourage all the students who are present here, and please carry this message to all the students, that this day is a memorable day in your life. Had this program not been there, we would not be present today, and we will not be celebrating your achievements in the district. So once again, I congratulate all the rank holders, all the distinction holders in the various subjects, both in the SSLC and the HSSLC examination that we just had in 2023. Congratulations once again to all of you.